By using hand lift, lift up the palm rest assembly and start removing it from the cover. Now you can remove this palm rest assembly and you can see the bottom cover cleanly. On the bottom side of the palm rest assembly, you will be able to access speaker assembly, power button board, touchpad and touchpad button board. These laptop components are attached on the bottom side of palm rest assembly. To remove display assembly that consists of LCD screen, firstly disconnect the wireless card antenna cable so that you can remove these wireless card from the laptop. Now disconnect the antenna cable from wireless card. There is a screw which bind wireless card. Do remove this screw securing the wireless card and pull wireless card from the slot. As to remove motherboard, first you need to remove wireless card. For this, pull the wireless card antenna cable. Disconnect video cable, microphone cable and web camera cable. The video cable connector is lifted up by black belt and detached from motherboard. Now detach the microphone cable and web camera cable same way you detach the speaker cable. Remove all the screws securing the display hinges. Now lift up and remove the display assembly. Remove all the three screws securing the motherboard and separate the optical drive, that is DVD drive cable and USB board cable from motherboard. Then lift up the right side of motherboard and disconnect the DC jack harness cable. Lift up the right side of motherboard and then start removing it from the bottom cover. In this way you can remove the motherboard. You can see the cooling fan assembly is now mounted on the bottom side of the motherboard. And DC power jack is mounted on the upper right side of the bottom cover. Now, what are the steps to assembly of a laptop? To assemble a laptop, you need to follow the above procedure in the sequence from the last step. And you can also see the visual presentation of assembling and disassembling of laptop. I'm sure now you can maintain and repair your laptop. Thank you. A backlight lamp is also known as backlight bulb, screen backlight, CCFL tube or bulb. Backlight lamp is only source of light in a laptop's LCD screen. A laptop LCD screen has only one backlight lamp installed. The backlight lamp mount inside the laptop screen in a lower part of the screen. A pair of cable with a connector coming from the screen plug into the screen inverter board. The backlight lamp receives high voltage AC power from the screen inverter board, which receives low voltage DC power from the motherboard through LCD screen cable. Now we will study what is a battery. As we all know, a battery is a device consisting of one or more electrochemical cells that convert chemical energy into electrical energy. Every laptop has a battery pack which provides power to the laptop while it is not connected to the wall plug through AC DC power adapter. Laptop batteries come in many different shapes. They are model specific. The life of a battery depends on certain conditions and circumstances like screen brightness, intensity of running program, the temperature of the working environment, etc. You can expand the life of a battery by optimizing the power usage setting in the control panel. There are software to change some particular setting in control panel. Laptops are fitted with CD and DVD drive, also known as an optical disc drive. It allows us to read and write the data from or to a CD DVD disc. If you all see the laptop CD DVD drives, they are shaped the same, but they have different face plates, also known as front bezels. Thus, while replacing a CD DVD drive, you must make sure that it has same face plate. If your laptop motherboard comes with a SATA connector for the optical drive, you can only use CD/DVD drive with SATA connector that it is not transposable. If you compare a SATA connector used in a laptop hard drive with a SATA connector used in CD/DVD drives, then there is a difference between power connector. It connects two halves of a laptop, the display panel and base assembly. All the laptop have two hinges located on left and right side of the display panel. Now what a display hinges is. In laptop, the LCD screen mount to the screen rising brackets which are everlasting attached to the display hinges. There are two or more screws securing the LCD screen to every mounting bracket as discussed before. We have to replace the screen once it gets broken or damaged. We cannot repair it. The laptop processor is becoming an increasingly important market segment. In the semiconductor industry, notebook computers have increasingly popular format of broader category of mobile computers. A laptop processor is a CPU optimized for notebook computer, and you may say it is the brain of the laptop. One of the main characteristics differentiating notebook processor from CPU is low power consumption. The objective of notebook computer is to provide performance and functionality of desktop computer in a portable size and weight. What is a cooling fan in laptop? CPU cooling fan is a committed fan which cools down the heatsink and is due course of the CPU. Generally, the CPU cooling fan comes as a part of heatsink assembly, which is a metal part drawing heat from the CPU chip. Some laptops also have a dedicated GPU, that is graphic processing unit, fan which cools down the GPU chip. These cooling fans connect directly to the motherboard via cable running from the fan. You all must know what is a keyboard. It is a device which uses the arrangement of keyboard